Up next, we're going to decide how easy to use this website is and how easy it is to access the specific information we're looking for. So the first question is the website easy to use? And I feel like this is a pretty easily used website. The links work. It's pretty easy to find different information about different topics. So in my opinion, I feel like this is a fairly easy website to use. I like that it has the option that you can listen to it or translate it into Spanish if you're a Spanish speaker as your first language. And it's kind of just easy to follow and doesn't add a whole lot of extra information that isn't needed. It stays on topic, but it does also kind of answer some questions you might have about the individual topics itself as well. So on my checklist here, I would give that one a check mark because the website does seem easy to use. It's written for teens in teen-friendly language, which we'll talk about a little bit later as well. Okay, for our next question, can you easily find the information you're looking for? So if I went into this website as a teenager and I'm concerned maybe about how much energy drinks I'm consuming, how many I'm consuming, or I'm wondering if the food bars that I've been eating are any good for me, I feel like that information is very easy to find. I was able to just read the article to find the information. I didn't have to go searching all throughout this website to find it. I could just kind of quickly glance through this and find out what their recommendations are about the topic. So for me, this is a check mark. The information was easily found in the article. Didn't have to spend a lot of time. Everything was very easy to navigate on the website to help me come up with an answer as soon as possible, though I did have to read the article, which you'll have to do as well. And then lastly, for ease of use and access, is the information easy to read and understand? So if I were a teenager, which I'm not, but if I were, I feel like this is written in fairly kid-friendly language, teen-friendly language. It's designed for teens, so that really helps a lot. I think the fact that it has the listening option is really helpful. So if I wasn't the strongest reader or if English wasn't my first language, it's really nice to have it read to you and you can read it aloud as you're listening. You can read along with it as you're listening. And then I also like that it kind of gave some brief explanations about things that maybe most teenagers wouldn't know about, like with guarana and taurine, things that we aren't in our language typically. So I like that it gave us a brief explanation of those things as well. So is the information easy to understand? And this will depend on your own experiences, but I feel like, yes, this information is easy to understand. It's written for teens, gives some explanations. So for this website, I feel like it is very easy to use and very easy to access in order to find the information you need.